Hey guys, welcome to Pink Musketeer. Today I'm going to do a farm video, fields and this my grandmother's garden and everything. In this video even I'm going to show you once again the cow shed and the cow dung process, everything I'm going to show you, how they'll do gas and all, the gas machine and all. I think you will enjoy this video. Okay, the village vlogs are so awesome. So I thought even you guys can see this village vlog. So I just did the shooting of this village vlog. Hope you guys will enjoy this. Yes, before watching this video, if you're new to my channel, then subscribe my channel for new video notifications. You need not to pay anything for the subscribe this purpose. It's a free entertainment. So no hesitation for subscribing and share this video with your family members and friends so everybody can see my village and the fields, farm, everything. This is a radish plant. So like this video if you like plants and the vegetables. So let's get started. These are the fields. Just going. I cannot go there because it's already time up. And I'm going to show you one ale mane, which I told the sugarcane machine, right? They'll tell ale mane for that. They'll make jaggery out of it. I'm going there and I'm going to show you guys how they'll do and all. Hope you guys also enjoy that video also. Just thought of showing you guys. I don't know where it just passed off. I don't know where it went. Last time also when we had came out here, I just saw so many crabs. Just see once how it looks. Okay, I'm going home now. I'll just show you the tomato plant there. My grandmother's vegetables, this thing place, she'll grow vegetables here. I'll just show what all she'll grow. Let's go inside. Just open this. She has made like this because there's a lot of pigs over here. It's village, right? So pigs will just come and attack to the plants and vegetables. They'll just eat it off. So she has made like this door. Let's open this. I don't know how to open this properly. Just check out. Oh, here it's like this. Okay, like this. So it has been opened. Let's go. So, you know what is this? Yeah, this is beans. So you can see the beans. A lot of beans has not been grown. Still, I think there's time for them to grow. There 2 to 3 beans has been grown here. But last time when we had came, like it was like a step by step, like 10 to 15 in one pair only it was there. So delicious also it was. I love beans, so whenever I come, just I'll pluck it and just eat it. So I'll just see which is the still small. It should not be like grown, fully grown. Like that I'll just eat. But now I don't have like that type. So I think I'll just eat this or this. Yeah, this is good. Just eat this. Just rub like this and eat. Here also it is there. And this is radish. You can see. These are radish. This is radish. There's a lot of radish over here. You can see. Many radish are there. In our house, in Hebballi, they'll almost make the vegetables which has been grown over here itself. Radish, sambar and something radish, other item and all. Here, ladyfinger. Many had been grown. In my mother's video, she had been shown, I think so. She had shown the ladyfinger, which she was plucking it off, and my grandmother and my mother, both of them had made this lady finger palya also. See, so nice it is. See, there is a bug also. They have to do this thing, what fertilizer, they'll do pesticide, right? My mother had shown in her Gayatri hobbies also many of the pesticide, this thing from this Gomutra, which had shown in the cow shed, which the Janardhan uncle was throwing. I had shown, right, like cow's urine, that's called as Gomutra. So these are all the ladyfinger plants. So big this ladyfinger is. There are two types of ladyfinger in this garden. One is dark green and one more is light green. I just check where is dark green ladyfinger. I just go and just check. See, this is the flower of the ladyfinger. So many ladyfinger, small has been happening over here. And this is the flower. See how big it is. This has been dried and some bugs are also there. See, small baby is there also there. Big one. I don't know where is the dark green one. See out there. It's so big. I just go near that and I just show you guys. So big. This one. But some spots have been happened. See, they're radish plants. Radish. Let's go front and see other plants also. I'll just show you one more radish, which is really big. You can see over here itself. So big it is. There a small one is also there. Okay, I'll just show you tomato plant also. It's there here. See, tomato plant. So many tomatoes have been happening over here, but still none of it is ripen over here. But near our house also, 2 or 3 tomato plant is there. I'll just show you after going to house. They have been ripen, and Arushi will just pluck them and she'll tell, do tomato hussy out of it for my grandmother. See, so many radish plants. So many means so many. You can just see over here. This is one more plant. So delicious and so clean they look, these plants, because they'll do natural fertilizer, organic fertilizer for these things. So they're so fresh. See? Wait, I'll just show you. This is a small, see, so small this one, which I had shown that other plants that before, that was a bit quite big. This is sorry, the camera just fell down. It was going to fall, but it did not fall. It got slipped. These are the radish. Radish plants are only more, I think so, here. And even ladyfinger plant. See, so much ladyfinger and radish is there. Okay, then let's go back to home. I'll just show the fields a bit, then let's go home. And I think I can show that place also a bit. Let's see. Let's go. Video to the Upponi. I'm going to show you main parts. Today itself we are going. Okay. This time beans has not been so much beans has not been grown. so can't eat. See, this is the plant which I told, which is near the house. See, this is almost ripened over here. There also many had been ripened. We had made tomato hussy out of it. So now I'm going home. Bye. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye bye.